Good morning, everyone. Today is the 12th of December 2016. Got in on the trade here. Ticket's going crazy. I mean, the speed of the tape is so quick, if you can notice that. So, huge jump. Um, so there's either, all those are either buyer or looking to sell. They're getting trapped. So since it's already gone 10 ticks ahead, I'm just gonna go ahead and move my stop. Let's see, I can't really move it till like maybe 59 or so. So my targets, you could see one at 32 and the other one at 20. So now my risk is a little lower. It's at 7 ticks or 6 ticks, sorry. So if I get stopped out, I'll be okay. I'll take another trade afterwards. Really, I wanted to keep it right here at 66, around this area. But just because the volatility right now is pretty substantial here. Let's see. I might have to move my stop here somewhere. 53. No, I'm just gonna put it to 53, 54. Because right now, yeah. I mean, you saw the tape at 42 going really quick, and suddenly just stalled right there, you know? So sometimes it's a good sign that things are getting bought up at this level, and that's why it doesn't move. So you got 276. See, it's going up. You get a huge offer right there. So we'll see if it goes through that. I saw 39 earlier, but that was just like one. Okay, 39's coming in. 37. Okay, so that's a short covering. And see, the tape goes really, really, really fast. I said earlier it was at like a 42 area. It was going quick. So now you got more people covering right here for that short. So what to do? I was off by the low of this candle is 33, so I was off by a tick. Don't you just love when that happened? Anyhow, that's a tape. Okay, so one of my contract got taken out. Put one tick +1 on this one. I want to be done, actually. That's why I'm kind of wanting to see if we can just get out of here, so I can get out early and take 40 tick win. Should have done that, but any event, right now. So today, I woke up to this right here. Gapped in price, went up, making an all-time high right now. And that's because of Saudi news. I was reading about it this morning, and it was due to the Saudi news about to cut their production, which I'm highly, highly, highly doubting that is the case. I think this is just so they could sell at the highs, and I still believe this thing could still rally, because I don't know if it'll ever revisit $51 after a gap, a pretty substantial amount. This would have been a good swing trade, but I was out of my desk Friday, and I was out of my desk, or barely, I guess, paying attention on Thursday, so I didn't do a swing on this one. But it certainly would have been good. That would have been a good one to trade. So anyways, you know what, I'm gonna take maybe take 10 ticks on this one. If I get stopped out, then it is what it is. Just because I'm trying to get out of here early. I think it's what I'm getting I'm getting impatient. I think it's what I'm doing here. So, all right. So let's be disciplined. Let's just keep the other one. Break even +1 for now. Really try to target 53, but like I said, I'm just try to take what I can and just get out of here. So my next target's 53.20. So we'll see what happens. In the meantime, let's look at the other indices. So while this thing is taking place. All right, guys. Well, so the S&P might take a breather here. Daily looks like it's gonna pull back a little bit. So, if anything, it broke out of this consolidation. So, a good buying opportunity would be, for me at least, to look at these levels right here and see how well it'll hold. Trump rally is certainly, or at least that's what's being called. Certainly is doing its job. Gold lost hope on this one. I'm already on the weekly chart, and there's a level that I'm kind of watching right here. It's been down almost a whole month. So the question is it gonna make that new low? It's like 1046. Go back to this level right here. Because I mean, if it breaks that, then you're gonna be looking into maybe testing the lows. So we'll see. We'll see what happens to gold. All right, now if it goes further down, I think it's gonna make a. I think gold might go even lower than this one, but see, let's see. Hold on. See this little small mini micro trend change here. So let's see. Let's draw a trend line here. So it just keeps hitting resistance, and it's only broke out of there. So if this is truly a rally, then I'm look to buy. Right. Let's see, price. Around that level. So I'm gonna be waiting. That's what I'm going to do. So the VIX is still doing its thing here. I think it's gonna make new lows here since S&P's is since the S&P is rallying, so it might test this $12.45 level, and I think below that there's like $10, which is the low is like $10 or 10.10, I guess. So I'm not sure if it's gonna go that route, but certainly there might be some buying in the 12 area. In any event, okay, well, I'll pause the video. I'll come right back. I think I'm fixing to get taken out. Current last price is 53.47, and it's going up, so I might get stopped out. I'll be back. Okay, guys, got stopped out for so far 220. So 22 ticks. I might just look to reshort this here. Or anything, I might just long it at 41.30. See what happens. See whoever gets there first. But 71.66 around that area. It's looking promising here. So we'll see. I just need maybe 20 more ticks or something. I'll pause the video. I'll come back. Okay, guys, took another short entry position here. Got stopped out on the last one. My entry earlier was 53, so I was able to get it at a little higher price. So my target, I'm just gonna try to take them all at 39. Sounds pretty good to me. So anyways, I'm worried about this one acting as support. So if that happens, I might have to just quickly close this one. So Keep in mind, this is just only a trade. It's not a swing position, so I have to really be protective of this price movement. And also it's very, very volatile. Just the price movement. I think this thing might even head down to about $52, 53 is really where I was hoping to target. Just because right now it looks like it was going to reverse, but it made another lower low prior to this one right here. So I'm hoping at least it'll retest it, and so retest of 30. At that point, I'm already out at 39. So that's kind of my rationale when I entered this trade, and I'm hoping this thing. There's two bottom wicks right here, and the low of that one's 55. So I'm hoping it goes lower than that, because that could be a support. And if this thing bounced, then I might be out at that point again. Say 59. High of this one is 59. So, but we will see. Right now, my risk is small. It's like 5 ticks. So, I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether it's gonna reverse on me or not. So yeah, I guess it's like this candle are just very small candles. Looks like it's just a pullback. So I'm gonna look to reverse here if that happens. Actually, I'll just move it to break even plus. Yeah, there you go. I just got taken out. I might just look to reverse this one. I'm just gonna buy it right here. Okay, I'm gonna set my stop to 50. What is that? 61. So 50. And I'm gonna take 21 ticks here. So, but I'm gonna move my stop here really soon. This thing is moving really fast. Hopefully it moves to the upside. So I really just want to be out soon, because right now it's about 8:30 or 8:28. I'm sorry. So hoping this thing doesn't stall right there and then just reverse back again. At that point, I'm going to try to reverse to 56. I'm just hoping that it'll just rally. It's my hopes. So we'll see. I'll pause the video. I'll come back. And I'm adjusted my stop to now break even plus 1. I'm hoping that this thing doesn't stall out on me and just keeps rallying. Adjusted one of my target to 79, and let's see. I'll take the other one at 84. So I'll just average in. I'll just keep the tape rolling here, see what happens, because it's very close. So I might get taken out here soon. 78. Keep missing it by a tick. Can you believe that? Okay, so I'll just move my stop to. Actually, you know what? That's still 10 ticks. I'll just cancel this one. Alright, so I got one left. I'll just keep it where it was. See, when you're becoming patient, you just become irrational and started taking, start taking. Oh, so I got my target got hit, or my stop got hit, and I got a feeling it's gonna dip right here, stop people out, and rally back up. That's, I think, is what's gonna happen. But can't stop it. I'm already 34 ticks right now. I'll pause the video, see if I can find another opportunity here. Like you can see, I traded a few more. Important thing is I'm still up positive. I really wanted to target at least 20 ticks, get 20 ticks out of this thing here per contract. So I'm hoping this thing just kind of reverses and come down to 41. But as you can see, my target is at 54. So we'll see. Hopefully I get hit, because this might be a support again and then take me out here. So, and it's a pretty huge candle. It's like 16 ticks long, or wide, I guess. So, and I was right at the low of it, and it's not hitting my targets today. Yeah, 3 ticks. It came down 3 ticks for my, I might just start peeling this out at instead of doing 20 ticks, just maybe 15 ticks or something. But my stop is at the high of this candle, so he has to reverse almost completely for it to lose. I'm even tempted to take that 400 right there, but anyways, I'm just talking out loud here. I'm just gonna keep the trade right there, and it's already my 6th trade. So if this thing doesn't work out, then I'll just call it a day and be done. Anyway, who's taking the time to subscribe. I think my channel is starting to take off here. So really appreciate those who are sharing the videos and clicking that like button. Anything I can do or answer any questions you might have, just feel free, stop on by. I have that message box opened up, and now for some reason I'm not able to create a reply message on my board, so you're just gonna have to read the thread, I guess, because lately it's just been acting weird. So, and I don't quite know, I don't understand what I'm doing wrong. So anyways, alright, I'll pause the video. I might get stopped out here again, because that candle, where is that, 67, 68 was fairly strong. I thought I saw some, but we'll see. If this thing pokes to 70, then I'm just gonna get rid of it, and if anything, re-enter where I got in, so I can at least get 5 ticks out of the trade. So alright, I'll come back. 58. So just try to get the 54 target, and this thing is taking its sweet time. If it reverses, might just go reverse with it. Put it at I'll get stopped out at 72 by the 74s. So we'll see what happens here. It's taking its sweet time. I'm gonna move my target, or my stop, to 71, lock in a little bit more, because it looks like it might be double. Might find support here, so, but I'm not gonna get cute. I'm just gonna take 54 and be done with it today. It is 9 o'clock right now, so I was really hoping 58 was the last low. So right now it just made another low at 60, so I wonder if it's gonna break. If it breaks 60, I think I'm good to go here. Okay, 59 is hit. Someone lifted 59, 57. Okay, so so it's making a new low, but you see all this cluster of orders starting to come in. I don't know if you see that, but my video software capture is kind of slow. And look, it's gonna it's gonna make this one's gonna be low of 55. Oh, you got to be kidding me! All right, I just closed the whole thing. I'm not gonna wait. All right, guys, that seems to be the best I can do for today. 5:20. Long video. Apologize for that. If you find value in this video, smash that like button. I know it might come down and visit this level here, but right now, as you can see, every time it dips, it just goes up. You see, this one broke by 2 pennies and just broke right up. And I'm not fixing to wait around for that because I gotta get to work. Until then, guys, I see you on the next video. I might even go on vacation starting next week, so I might not be posting for a while. So anyhow, y'all have a good one. Take care. And that's gonna piss me off if it goes lower. If this candle right here would go lower. But I'm gonna just shut my machine and be done for today. Take care.